So I just got home with something new that somebody just decided to give me, and I think this thing is really cool. So I'm going to show you what I got, and I don't know anything about it, so it's going to be a learning process for me. This is a new Simplicity, not new, sorry, new to me, a Simplicity Sunstar 20. I've never even heard of this thing, but I'm sure I'm going to do a lot of studying and find out more about it. Right now, I have it idling, as you can tell. And let me show you. This thing has power steering, hydraulic, of course. It has hydraulic lift. I see the button on the end here is missing. Let's see if I can replace that. Well, obviously the toolbox is not from Simplicity, but it's mounted on there by the previous owner. Under the hood, we've got a Kohler 20 horsepower engine. This is a Kohler Magnum, and I've never seen this before. This is I'm going to guess that's the cooler for the hydrostatic transmission. I took this piece off here. This goes on there. Basically directs the cool, fresh air into the carburetor and into the cooling system here. So I'm gonna have a little fun with this. I got a little bitty yard, but this is a monster of a tractor here. So fun. Thanks for watching.